Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here today again. I welcome you all to Lasojeni Talk. This channel is created so that I can share with you my online ideas on how to make money online. Okay, what I have to share with you in today's video is how I made 180,000 Naira or $300. One Naira is a currency for the Nigerians. So I'm right now in Nigeria, so I'm calculating it based on the country's currency. So I made 180,000 Naira, which is equivalent to $300 in crypto arbitrage trading with my mobile phone in 2 weeks. So this is what I have to share with you in this video. So what I just want you to do is to watch this video to the very end so that you can get the steps by which I earn this, so that you too can do the same and you make money online. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojeni Talk. Lasojeni Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas about online investment platform. Okay, I review online investments here and I give you my sincere recommendation. So for that reason, if you are at the edge of joining any online investment platform, do yourself a favor by sending it to me for a review, and I promise you my sincere review and recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision, because you need to be responsible for your action. Lasojeni Talk is all about financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence research, and you should consult your financial specialist before you go into any of the business. But I want to tell you that these are ways whereby I personally have been making money online. Okay, so if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. Then if you found it to be very meaningful to you, do me a favor by giving me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can use the comment box of this video for any of the questions that you have, and check the description box of this video for more information about this same video. Thanks so much for doing that. So once again, what we are considering today in this video is how I made 180,000 Naira, which is approximately $300 in crypto arbitrage trading with my mobile phone in 2 weeks. I want to tell you categorically that your phone is supposed to be an asset to you, but it's quite unfortunate that many people's phone is more of a liability to them because they are not earning with their phone. They subscribe, they buy data, they do a lot of stuff on the phone, they waste time, especially with the social media. But it's unfortunate that they are not making money with their phone. And I want to tell you that we are now in a global era. This world is now a global village whereby you can connect to millions of people at the same time. So why don't you use this as an opportunity for you to make money online? Turn your phone to a money making machine. So, and this is how you can get it done. You can start as from now, as from today. You watching this video is also a step ahead on how you can make money with your phone. So I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how I get this done. So now crypto arbitrary trading. Cryptocurrency is let me just summarize it, is a digital money. Is a digital money just like our fiat currency, but this one is a digitalized money, and it is decentralized, which means that there is no central bank that is controlling it. So everybody have access to it at any point in time across the universe. So you can make money. It has been fully established that people can make money in cryptocurrency, and in which I personally am a living testimony. So now, what is arbitrary trading? I will try to explain this in this way. Arbitrary trading means that there is a particular commodity that is being sold on different markets. So let's say there are several markets that are selling the same commodity. So, and this particular commodity varies in prices based on this market. So, the essence of arbitrage is that it shuffles around these exchanges. That is, you buy from a market that is very very low in price, and you sell at another market which in which it is high in price. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So, and then it is done simultaneously. It is done simultaneously, so you can capitalize on the little price difference at that particular time, and it will be accumulated, and it serves as your profit for that particular day trade. So here you are not the one trading in this particular platform that I'm about to share with you. You are not the one trading, because for you to trade cryptocurrency, it requires some technical know-how, technical knowledge on how cryptocurrency works. You need to have the blockchain technology. You need to have a knowledge about that. You need to know how to register in some exchange site, and there are several things that need to put into consideration, but it has been simplified with this particular platform that I want to share with you. So now let's do some calculation now. Let's do some calculation. So let's assume that you have a business that gives you 3% of your capital on daily basis. And now let's assume you have a capital of like $500. So let's see how much you can make on daily basis, 500. So that means in a day you can earn up to dollars $15. Based on this calculation, you are earning 3% of your capital, and your capital is $500, so you are earning $15 a day. So, and in this particular investment that I'm about to share with you, there is auto compound. That is, it is automatically compounded. There is compounding function there. So let's even do it on a simple interest ratio, simple interest level. So let's say that in 30 days you'll be earning how much multiplied by 30. That is $450. But I want to tell you categorically that you are going to earn more than this. You will surely earn more than $500 in a month, because the compounding function is still there. So at the end of a month, you can earn up to like $550 to $600. All right, because you are earning like up to 3% daily profit. So that is how it goes. So I will show you how I earn 300. Let me show you my uh, the notification in my Binance to show you I earn $300. Okay, so notification. Okay, this is it here. You can see it here. Deposit, you have deposited 300.007 USDT at 2022.0509, and today is 12. That is 3 days ago. So I earned this. I withdrew this, and it was successful from that platform, and I got it in less than 2 minutes. That is another joy in this platform that I'm about to share with you. Your deposit, your withdrawal, it drops in your exchange site, in your wallet, in less than 2 minutes. You can see here 300.077 USDT. So now let me take you to the platform whereby I earn this on daily basis. So the name of the platform is COTP. COTP, that is the name of the platform here. So, and this is the app, though you can also log in through your browser. You can also log in through your browser. So now the meaning of COTP is crypto over the counter trading platform. Cryptocurrency over the counter trading platform. That is the name of the that is the full name for the acronym COTP. So it is a cryptocurrency arbitrage trading platform, as I explained to you earlier. So now the cryptocurrency that is being traded here is the USDT. USDT is a stable cryptocurrency. It is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar. So when you are earning in US dollar, that means, sorry, when you are earning USDT, that means you are earning the equivalent price and value in US dollars. So now how does it work? So I got it covered, because before you can join this platform, you need to be introduced by a present user. So I got it covered in the sense that the registration link and the activation code is in the description box of this video. So just go to the description box of this video to copy the link and to register. And if you need any other information, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So after that, you need to do your verification. So just click on the mine here to do your identity verification. It should be done and completed in less than 2 minutes also. So after that, you are going to fund your account. When you fund your account, you just click on the recharge. When you click on recharge, then you are going to copy the TRC20 USDT address. So copy it and you fund it with any amount that you feel is you are capable of. All right, so now how you are the one to initiate the trade. Mind you are not the one trading, but you are the one to initiate the trade. So for you to start that, just click on the transaction all here beneath the screen of your phone. Click on transaction all. So after you have clicked on the transaction all, then you are going to click on immediate competition for orders. So you do this. So mind you, we have three column here: total asset in a transaction and the wallet balance. So after you have clicked on the immediate competition for orders, then you click on sell. So click on sell. So the system will scan the market and it's going to connect me with a buyer. So you confirm the trade right now. So you need to do this until your balance here is less than 5 USDT, $5. So I click on it again, immediate competition for orders. So the system is scanning. So I click on sell again. It has linked me up with another buyer here from this country's flag. I confirm. I still have 60.841 there. I click on immediate competition for orders again. So the system will scan and link me with another. I think this person is from Argentina. This flag is Argentina's flag. So click sell. I click on sell, then I will confirm it as well. Okay, confirm. All right, I still have 22. So click on immediate competition for orders again. Same, okay, from the same country, click on sell. Confirm. Okay, I have 6 now. Let me do I think this should be the last time. Okay, sell. And confirm. So that is how to start it. So I have initiated these trades now. Then I will need to come back in the next 2 hours. That is approximately 2 hours. Sometimes it can be up to the approximated time that you need to come back here. So you just come down and check the last trade, which is $5. Then you click on this down arrow. So then you can see the time of income. The time of income is 5:12, 11:12. So in Nigeria, that is like 5 hours difference. So just add 5 up to 5 to 11. That should be 4, 16, 12, 16 hours, 12 minutes. That is 4 p.m. Nigerian time. That is 12 minutes after 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So that is when I will come back to initiate another trade. So by that time, all the money in a transaction will have moved back to wallet balance. So then I can now withdraw or to start another trade. So let me show you my withdrawal record of the $300 that I made. So okay, so let me show you the withdrawal record. So this is it here. So withdrawal fee of 0.03% will be deducted from your withdrawal amount. So as you can see here, I withdrew 300.98 by 9th of May this year. 9th of May this year. And don't forget that the time is plus 5 hours. So that is 7 plus 5, that is 12:36, that is 12 p.m. 36 minutes of Nigerian time. So let's see the time that it dropped in Binance. So you can see here it dropped at 12 minutes 12:38. Okay, I need to reload. So you can see the time here, 12:38. See the time, just in the space of 2 minutes. In space of 2 minutes, 12:38. So this is a platform whereby I have been making money on daily basis. So you can also join me after you have done your due diligence research. So you can also join me in making money, in minting dollars on daily basis. So, and I've been enjoying it over and over again for the past 2 months now. I've been enjoying it. So this is one of the ways whereby I make money online. So I made the $300, as I said during when I started this video, and I think I've successfully shown you the proof and how I get it done. So you can also make money through referring your friends. So you'll be rewarded for the work done when you invite your friends. So you get percentage of their trading profits on daily basis also. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogenibi Stock. So if you have any question concerning this video, or you have any contribution, so let me know your views through the comment box of this video. So just check through the comment section and put your question or your views about this video on it. And also you can also contact me through my WhatsApp number, and you can also contact me through my email address. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do that. Click on the notification bell, share with your friends and family, and like. Thanks so much for watching this video once again. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Till then, I love you all, and bye for now.